Alright guys, that is a fried egg. If you don't know how to cook, I'm gonna show you now. Alright, today you will see the egg in front of me, in front of you. First thing first, we're gonna crack the egg and we're gonna put it in a bowl. So I'm gonna repeat all of these 8. But a little bit of salt, garlic powder, not too much. Alright, let's put some black pepper. Like like 1 pinch. It depends. Some people love it. Make sure you mix it until the bubble come out. Like an air bubble. See? It is easy. See the bubble here? That is what we're looking. Alright. See that? It look good. You don't need a special tool. Put your pan on the stove. I'm gonna turn to medium heat. We're gonna wait a little bit until you put your hand in the pan. Make sure you do not touch it. You feel like warm up. The heat come up so you can put oil. I'm using a canola oil. Canola. Not too much. Okay. Yeah, you don't need too much. I'm gonna show you when the oil is heat up, and we're gonna put the egg with the oil. Easy, easy. Okay, I got an 8 egg. That is too much. That is a lot of egg. You would say, bro, you eat too much. I know. So I'm just gonna put it here. I know on the top here, this is a raw egg. I know on the bottom it might be cool, so you can leave it like this. See, so they will go on the bottom. So I'm gonna spin my pan. I put here again. I'm gonna leave it. See, all the egg on top, they will go and sink on the bottom. All right, my friend, the technique to cook the egg is make sure you do not use the high heat. On the bottom side is already cooked. You see the brown? That is already cooked. So I don't know how to flip, so I'm gonna go here like you, and then I'm gonna leave it in the middle or flip it one side like this. See that? All right, my friend. Now we're gonna turn over on the other side. So you can leave your pan and put your little support on the bottom. You flip it like this. Ooh, look at that color. See that color? You wanna do it again? You can do it. All right, the egg is cooked. That is a basic technique cooking the egg. If you don't know or if you never do that, do it. You can cut it a piece, make a sandwich if you want. All right, see you guys later on the next video.